Little English explorers. Let's learn and play. Hi friends, are you ready for a new adventure? Today we're going to learn about something we use every single day. It keeps us warm, cool, and comes in so many colors. That's right, clothes. We're going to learn 10 fun clothes in English. Ready to get dressed and explore? Let's go! Wow! You know what a shirt is, what it does, and how to say the word. Give yourself a big thumbs up. All right, adventurers, what's next on our clothing expedition? Next up, pants. Yes, pants. Those wonderful things that keep our legs covered and ready for anything. Let's dive into the world of pants. Get ready to explore all the different kinds and what makes them so special. We wear them every day, but have you ever really thought about what pants do for us? Pants cover our legs. They're like a cozy hug for each of your legs, keeping them safe and sound. From your hips all the way down to your ankles, pants provide a layer of comfort and protection. They shield us from the sun, the wind, and even little scrapes and bumps. Think of them as your leg's best friend, always there to keep them comfy and secure. And guess what? There's a spot for each leg. That's right, 2 legs, 2 holes. Each leg gets its own special place to go. It's like a little home just for your leg. One leg goes in one side and the other leg goes in the other. It's a perfect fit. Now, let's practice saying the word. Can you say pants? It's a fun word to say. Let's try pants. Pants. Great. You're doing amazing. Say it loud, say it proud. Pants. See how easy that was? You're a pants pronouncing pro. Pants help keep our legs warm and being ready for a super fun day. Sit down, or maybe dark and mysterious. Are they for playing, running and jumping, or staying cozy on the couch with a good book? Pants! You did it! You learned all about pants. Give yourself a big round of applause. Look at this beautiful dress. It's like a shirt and a skirt in one. Can you say dress? Doctoress. Dress. Wonderful. Dresses come in so many colors and patterns. Flowers, stars, and more. Let's spin around like we're wearing a twirly dress. Spin, spin, spin. My imaginary dress is yellow like the sun. What does yours look like? You're doing a fantastic job learning these words. Dress. Perfect. Let's look down to our feet. What do we wear to keep them safe? Shoes. 2 shoes, 1 for each foot. Shoes protect our feet and help us run and play. Let's say it together. Shoes. Shoes. Fantastic. Let's pretend to put on our shoes. Wiggle your foot in. Wiggle, wiggle. Now the other foot. Both shoes on. Fasten them. Maybe tie laces or press Velcro. Rip! Stick! Stand up and stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Our feet are happy in their shoes. What's this? Something for our head. A hat. Hats keep the sun out or our head warm. Can you say hat? Hat. Let's tip our hat. Hat. There are baseball caps, beanies, sun hats, and more. Pretend to put on your hat. Lift it up and place it on. Can you feel the socks tickling your toes? Wiggle, wiggle. It's like a dance party for your toes. They're having so much fun in their cozy sock homes. My socks are rainbow colored, bursting with every color of the rainbow. What do yours look like? Do they have your favorite colors on them? Are they fuzzy, long, or short? Maybe they're super soft and fuzzy, perfect for snuggling up on the couch. Or maybe they're long and reach all the way up to your knees. Socks are a fun way to be creative.